Hello dear friends. In this video I am going to introduce you to a course. If you are looking to learn advanced skills in data analysis and data visualization using Python, the course Python for Data Visualization, the complete masterclass is a great choice for you. This course comprehensively and completely teaches you how to use the Python programming language for data visualization and acquire the skills necessary to transform complex data into understandable and useful images. The price of this course is currently around €50. And if you purchase this course you will have full-time access to this course. If a new version of the course is released, you can use the new version by updating the course. The duration of this course is currently 3.5 hours, and upon completion, you will receive a certificate of completion. In this course, you will learn the following topics: understanding the importance of data visualization, its role in data analysis, and the principles of effective visualization design. Exploring popular Python libraries such as Matplotlib and Seaborn, and learning how to leverage their functionalities to create a variety of visualizations. And other topics. I plan to make this course available to you for free, and you will be able to access all parts of the course for free and completely legally without paying any fees, and you will even receive a certificate. Just open your browser and search for skilldiscounts.com in your search engine. Click on this link among the results and make sure the site address is the same as the one shown here. After clicking on the link, you will be taken to the skilldiscounts.com homepage. And other topics. On this page you can see all the courses offered on the Udemy site with discount coupons, including the course we are considering, which you can see here. To access the discount coupon for this course, simply click on this link. The course page will open for you. You can also view the course details here. To access the discount coupon for this course, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the Go to the Course button. As you can see, I was able to get this course for free through skilldiscounts.com, and now instead of €50, I get this course for free. Note that there are currently 2 days left of the course discount and the discount coupon has been automatically applied to you here. You can use this free and legal course. It's that easy. If you are interested in using other free and legal Udemy courses, you can visit other sections of the skilldiscounts.com site. Even go to different categories. Or go to the All Free Online Courses section and search for the course you want. If you found the video useful, you can share it with your friends so that they can also access such tutorials. I would appreciate it if you like and subscribe to us. Have a nice day.